So what I have here, I have a 2-inch receiver on the back of my truck right here. And I'm just going to show you real quick on how I installed this thing right here. So you get the unit, the actual like ball hitch unit itself. Now I've already mounted this one in there. So you get a anti-theft washers on there. There's that. It comes with 3 keys per each one. There's the 3 keys there. There's an adjuster, like a spacer. If you've got a bigger hitch, maybe I think it's a 2 1/4. So if you got a bigger hitch, you would use that spacer. I don't need that. So if you got a bigger hitch, you would use that spacer. I don't need that. This right here was my little kind of thing that came out of there. Oh, and you get a little owner's manual. My owner's manual looked kind of rough. This is a anti-rattle pin. Now, it did not fit my hitch. I have a Reese style hitch right here. I cannot get it on mine because of the opening right there. So it did not work on mine. I'm not going to be using that, but there's everything you get with it. You get a couple of lock nuts. Oh, and a little small wrench. And I think that's it. Oh, there's the lock washer. So you get some. Let me just go over it in itself right here. So this has, I think 7,500 pounds on the 2-inch ball, and the 2 1/4-inch ball is what it is, or 2 5/16 ball. You get 12 thousandths of pull strength. So 12,000 pounds of trailer load. You got 6 inches of drop from here, or 6 inches of lift if you want to install it. Like, oh man, that's one. If I want to install it like that, that gives me 6 inches of lift. So you get actual drop and lift to it. Because see, you could flip this around if you've got the 2-inch ball, which is 7,500. You could flip that around from that way to that way. Let me go ahead and install this thing on here, and let me show you how easy this thing is to mount up. So since this one's already installed on there, I'm just going to run this pin right here. There's 2 holes, so it depends on your receiver how far you'd go in. I can go all the way in on mine. I left all those washers on there because it was pretty already set up. Pull that off, put the cap on. That ain't coming off, everybody. That's on there solid. Now see, there's where you'd have the anti-rattle thing that would go on there, and how that works is it goes right up under here like this, and it holds that hitch on there. You guys see that? I could probably bend it out and technically get it in there, but I ain't gonna fool with it. I personally don't need it. I don't run with this on my truck all the time anyway. I just put it on when I need it. When I put the trailer on, I usually take it off because I don't like how that sticks down. Now, if you had a bigger truck, you just leave this on there all the time, or you've got like a work truck, I get it. You'd have it on there all the time. Then you got the keys right there if you need to take it off. But yeah, everybody, I think this is a good option for anyone that just needs to have a 2-inch ball and a 2 5/8 ball ready to go at any time, with an adjustable height and lowering on it for a good affordable price at a good quality. The metal on this thing feels like a tank. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the adjustable trailer hitch, ball mount. See you on the next video.